First of all, I would like to thank the University Admission Committee for giving me the chance to introduce myself. My name is MD Taj Choudhury and I am from Bangladesh. We are 5 members in our family. My father, mother, 2 elder sister and me. I am the youngest in the family. My father works as an in-charge officer at a private television channel and my mother is a homemaker. I complete my secondary school certificate SSC in 2020 from Motijil Colony High School and my higher secondary certificate HSC in 2022 from Motijil KMT College. Beside my studies, I take part in different activities outside of school. I am a senior rover in Bangladesh Scouts and activities work with Server Social Service Organization as a volunteer. I have received award from local government bodies for my contribution to social work. Personally, I enjoy learning new things in my free time. I liked reading books and traveling from a young age. I have been interested in business and entrepreneurship. I believe that learning about international business is very important for building a strong career today. That's why I want to study in China. China is known around the world as a peaceful and safe country for students. It has a modern and flexible education system that welcome students from different cultures. Chinese universities are known for providing quality education, especially in research and innovation. With the help of the Chinese government scholarship, I believe I will be able to receive a world-class education and international experience. A degree from a Chinese university will help me reach my career goals and grow as a person. Finally, I thank the university once again for giving me the chance to introduce myself. I truly appreciate your time and consideration.